When I was younger, I wanted to be a lawyer because I liked winning arguments against my sister. And then I grew older and had a more noble motivation to seek the truth about things in this world. But now I realize that not only lawyers can do that. People who go out and try to understand how human actions are influencing wildlife populations can technically do that as well. And I count myself as one of those who are trying to understand and seek the truth about what I would refer to as sky murderers, that were once mass persecuted, poisoned, and have lost their homes to natural disasters called humans. Here I am referring to birds of prey or raptors that have rid our farms of pests and our highways of roadkills. And how we thank them for that, I'll leave it up to you to think about. My research then asks the questions: how did the community structure of migrating raptors counted in a hawk watch site in Pennsylvania vary over time? And how does the community structure and diversity trends of these raptors shift over time? And how does climate and land use change influence these patterns? Using models that I developed in a computer, I found that the count trends of migrating raptors have shifted around the 1970s, which was about the time when DDT, a toxic pesticide, was banned in the US. Since then, some have increased in counts, while the others have decreased. Those that have increased in counts are characterized by being able to adapt to more variable habitat conditions or are generalists, and those that have decreased in counts are less able to do so or are specialists. I also found that this trait, being a habitat generalist, regulated the response to urbanization in the northeastern US. Their increased counts were positively linked to increased developed areas. These results tell us a few key things. First is that accounting for species traits is important for us to better understand the response to external factors. Their ability to adapt to human-perturbed landscapes is crucial for their persistence. Secondly, not everything we do is detrimental to wildlife, because they can and may adapt to us. But that doesn't mean that we should just continue developing lands. What this means is that moving forward, we should put our actions into greater ecological context and have justified reasons for doing them. In other words, we should seek the truth about human impacts through an eagle's eye. Thank you.